For everything be like, I'm about to swallow my boo. Come on in, Joe. Yeah, everything is negative. Come on.
I'm so sorry.
Not you.
Not me.
No. Not you.
Damn.
You're not allowed.
You know, we got potatoes.
And you can take either one of those two over there, Joe.
I'm so sorry.
Again, you know I'm on the cheap side. Slightly cheap.
I don't like the middle with the eggs. I just like
Mm-hmm. Well, that's what they want to see. That's why I would never do this. I promise I'll say nope.
Yeah, you used to be like, my mukbang.
I'm not going to do it.
Now look at you. Luckily, I don't have no microphone so they can hear us chewing.
Yes, I will.
People be awful.
Why you don't like the middle of the egg?
I don't know. I never liked the middle of the pie. I always took it out, even in like when I used to color Easter eggs.
That's interesting.
I don't like the consistency of it.
I get that.
Hey, that's the best part, though, right?
Not to me.
Actually, which that mean that works out well for you because that's where all the cholesterol is.
The
In the white part?
In the yolk.
in the middle part.
So the yolk isn't good.
That's what my grandma used to tell me.
I hate to say yolk isn't good for you. It is protein. It's not bad for you. It just simply does contribute to your bad cholesterol.
The white bush. The white bush. Oh,
What?
God.
The white bush.
You know
You hear what you're saying when you're telling folks, right?
You don't want no mince?
There were two presidents in the Middle East. Actually, three presidents.
No, it was not. He put lemon on the egg.
And I still can't get over the fact that people actually get paid like big bucks.
You do see the puzzlement still in my face. That's not going to go anywhere anytime soon.
Why? Well, you got a lot of time in your hands. Look it up.
I was afraid to. Oh, but you ain't that. Yeah, I got that kind of time now. Oh my God.
Look it up. You're going to be surprised.
All you gotta do is type in mukbang.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna get off YouTube 3 hours later, like, what happened?
You're going to see some stuff and be like,
What happened? And you're gonna be hungry.
I think I'm going to try that.
I was about to say, I felt that.
Right?
Say happy birthday.
We're going to sing happy birthday with the cupcakes, but don't open it. Wait till after everybody eats first before you open up those Legos because they're going to be everywhere.
Oh no, y'all.
Yeah,
They
go
probably
on, start
gonna
to put that
open
in
crab
the
legs with her teeth. Yup.
That's
Sure
the
is.
sauce.
You want to go upstairs with your cousin
I don't
Kelly?
have no scissors, so
Yeah.
He said no.
I gotta do what I gotta do.
Yes, that was delicious. Happy birthday, Tom. Salute.
This is probably about to be my last bite.
You ever be trying to get out?
All right, y'all.
Just,
They're not recording audio, so they
I
can't.
can't even breathe no more.
Yeah.
We gonna wrap this up. Well, just a mukbang. We probably still gonna vlog throughout the day. Because we still have wine and stuff. But I can't eat no more.
I do for a girl. I love that.
oh, you're supposed to put it on the side.
Don't you ever stop.
Who went on the side?
But apparently you do a lot of exercise. What do you do?
Or,
I guess it's just being dirty.
alright, y'all, so we're gonna wrap up the mukbang. We couldn't even finish all this food. We about to go on the porch and sip some wine and take a breather. My allergies. And cut.
2020